How to fix GCash cannot be opened. So if you want to fix your GCash is not opening problem, then let's see. First, if you go and search for GCash and open up the application, then it will not open. So in order to open your GCash, what you need to do is you just need to simply press and hold on to your GCash application. Tap on app info. Once you tap on it, now you just need to simply go with permissions. Under permissions, you need to allow the permissions. You can go with contacts and allow the contact, and then go with the microphone and go with each and every permission and allow the permissions. Once you allow all the permissions, now you just need to simply go back and remove that from your background. And now you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with the search and search for developer options. Once you search for developer options, here you will have the option, right? Simply tap on it, and then you need to turn off your developer options. Once you turn it off, now you need to remove it from your background, and then you need to try opening your GCash now. So go and search for GCash and open up your GCash application now, and tap on allow under the notifications, and that's it. Your GCash has been opened. Now you can simply enter your mobile number and get started. So that's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.